Hello, this is Paul with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today I'm going to show you a couple of trucks we have in stock here. We have a 2017 black Chevy Silverado with leather interior. This is a two-wheel drive truck. It's got black wheels, has a midnight edition look to it. It's a driver's side entry, remote access, push button, wheelchair accessible truck, pickup truck. Pretty awesome truck. We got two of them here back to back. This is a special event we attended with Freedom Motors as part of the Michigan Operation Freedom Outdoors, which helps ladies and gentlemen that are former veterans, disabled or wounded veterans. This is a special hunt that we attended this October of 2018, where only a select handful of folks that were disabled in combat were all invited to hunt on these lands ahead of the normal November rifle hunting season. This here is a passenger side 2016 with only 17,000 miles. This was the four-wheel drive Z71. Both of these have heated seats. The black one has leather interior. The white one has cloth. They both have custom wheels we've installed on them, so they look super cool. The pricing is pretty similar. The white one is $65,900 and the black one is $59,900. The black one's a little bit less because it's not four-wheel drive. So we have the option. Both have heated seats. Both are power entries. One is a passenger side. So here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years. We have a huge selection of wheelchair accessible cars, trucks, vans, SUVs, including GMC Sierras, Chevy Silverados. We also have Chevy Suburbans, GMC Yukons. These are awesome vehicles. We've been in business for over 30 years. We have a nationwide sales force. We offer in-house free demonstrations. We offer coast-to-coast nationwide delivery as well. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, give us a call at 1-800-625-6335. We're located in Battle Creek, Michigan. Hablamos español también. We speak Spanish as well. Beautiful vehicle. Both of these are like brand new. These trucks these days alone are usually around 50, 60 grand for a brand new truck. So these conversions are pretty awesome to be able to get a truck like this and still be close to the same price of what these trucks go for brand new. We try to buy ones that are a year or two old with very low mileage that are like brand new that have already depreciated, so we can pass along those savings on to the customer. Here you can see the chair that's already been removed. The chairs are on casters. Those are originally factory chairs. They're on casters that can be rolled right out, and you can just attach your wheelchair right to the ramp there with that bolt down the bottom. Pretty cool stuff. Push button. Retracts, deploys. Pretty amazing. We offer 10-year financing as well, so you can get the payments very affordable. Not much more than a regular pickup truck. Here at Freedom Motors, we give you the freedom to not only get around and explore the world from a wheelchair accessible vehicle, but a really cool crossover truck, SUV, Silverado, Sierras, Suburbans. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. We're located in Battle Creek, Michigan. We will come right to your home and give you a free in-home demonstration. Give us a call if you're in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle, 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Gorgeous, beautiful wheelchair accessible vehicles. How cool is that? Please hit the subscribe button on the YouTube page. Please give us a call. Check out our website, freedommotors.com. Thank you so much for watching our video, and have a great day.